In this video, I'll show you how to add an initial field to a document in Docusign using a simple and practical method that works for most users. After logging in, upload or select your document and proceed to the editing screen where all fields are available. From the toolbox, choose the initial field and drag it to the exact location where you want the signer to add their initials. Make sure the field is correctly assigned to the intended recipient, otherwise it won't function properly during signing. Docusign makes this process quite intuitive, but placement and assignment accuracy are important to avoid confusion. You can resize or reposition the field to match your document layout. It's also helpful to preview the document before sending to ensure everything appears correctly. In cases with multiple signers, double-check each field is mapped to the right person. Overall, it's a quick feature that improves document clarity when used properly. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work smarter every day.